welcome to the Rotherham NHS Foundation Trust IT training service. This video will cover a quick overview of what the new Rotherham Health Record portal looks like. Once you have been granted access to the Rotherham Health Record, the link will take you to the log-on screen where you can enter your details that you have been provided and then press submit. You will then be taken to the Inpatient Finder screen. This will show you all the patients that are currently admitted to Rotherham Hospital at the moment. The box for each patient shows you the patient's NHS number, the medical record number, the patient's name, gender and age, the location of the patient in the hospital, the predicted discharge date, their current length of stay, and any special indicators the patient may have. If you are unsure on what any of these special indicators mean, there is a key at the top of this screen that will explain the meaning of each of these icons. There is also a filter down the left-hand side where you can filter to be able to find the specific patient you are looking for. For example, you can filter on a ward, say A5, and this brings my list of total inpatients down to 5 patients, each one that is now on ward A5. There is also a flag filter. This can be filtered for different flags on these patients. For example, you can filter for any patient that has COVID-19. Therefore, this will bring me the 49 patients that have been diagnosed with COVID-19. Within this Inpatient Finder, you can click on each patient and this will bring you a more detailed box for these patients. Then from within this more detailed box, you can click on the patient's name at the top of the banner bar and this will take you into the patient's full record. Within this full record view, you have tabs at the left-hand side that will show you the patient's problems, allergies, appointments, and admissions. The medications and an external data button will be coming soon. There are also other views within this portal. If you are wanting to look for a patient that is not currently admitted to Rotherham Hospital, you can click on Clinical and select Patient Search. You can search for your patient by entering the NHS number or the patient's first name and surname. This will then bring up all the patients that match your search. If you then click on that patient's RU number, it will take you to the patient's full health record. Within this portal, there is also a care homes view that can be accessed by clicking on Clinical and then Care Homes. This will show you the total number of patients and vacant beds within a care home. Please note this is only a view and cannot be broken down any further than this. Finally, there is also a bed view which can be accessed by clicking on Clinical and selecting Beds. This will show you the current inpatients in Rotherham Hospital laid out by ward and bed. You can switch between wards by clicking on the ward drop down and selecting the ward you require. Again, when you click on these patients, it will take you to the more detailed view for each patient. Once you have finished with the portal and have done everything you need to, please click on Log Out and it will take you back to the login screen. This is the end of the quick overview for the Rotherham Health Record. If you have any questions about this process, please contact the IT Service Desk on 01709 42 8844 to log a job, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much for listening.